So we have already defined all these variables, created the new variables. That's fine. Okay. Now we will be downloading the merged file as Excel file into our local folder. So meaning into our local drive. So let's see in the computer. So let's see how to do that. Okay. So to do that, let's go. Okay, over there. So we have to import the OS, and then import pandas as PD, that's fine. And now we have to specify the local folder, okay, where we want to save the file, okay. Okay, and to do that, so we are writing the name of the file is save folder to where? Say I want to save the file here in this folder, okay. So this is the file location in folder location. Okay, that's fine. And then we will create the save folder, okay. If it doesn't exist, okay. And to do that, so we are writing os dot, so make directory, okay, make directories, so where save folder exist, okay, is equal to true. It means if our Python doesn't find the folder, then it will create again, okay. And then now we have to construct the full file path, okay. And to do that, let's see, file path is equal to os path dot join, and we are using the save folder and merged df, okay. Okay, we can write it merge table dot xlsx, okay. And finally write the data frame to the Excel file, okay. And to do that, merge df to Excel, sorry, to Excel, right? And now where file path, okay, index should be true, no, index should be false, and we're calling an engine, and that is OpenPy Excel, okay. And once it is done, let's call let's ask Excel to tell us that it has been saved, okay, file path, and has been created. Okay, and now let's run the code, okay, run it. So what it is giving us, some error messages. Okay, let's see what are the error messages. So the print is fine, this part is fine. Okay, so where is the name? Merged df is not defined. Okay, so merged df is not defined. Okay, but we have merged df over here, right? Let's see what we have. It's good. Now let's run it again. No. So what is that? Oh, actually this should be m small. Oh yeah. Now here we go. So you can see that the main problem was the m was uppercase. Okay. Now it is fine. Now let's see whether it has been created. So let's go to the folder. See, see merge table. See that? You can see the merge table, and let's see what we have in the table. See, say that we have created the table. So the cost of goods sold, sales, we have. Okay, and this is the merge table. Actually, we have merged these two tables into one. Okay, now fine. Okay, now let's go to the next question. So next one is the top 10 companies based on highest gross profit. Okay, let's see. I'm going to do that. So the top 10 companies based on that. Okay. So to do that, what we will do, we will sort the tables. Okay. So okay, now sorted table, or we can say sorted df is equal to we will be sorting the merged df sort value by what? So by the GP percentage, right? So what is the name? That's GP percent. Okay, GP percent, right? Okay, and this should be within single quote, and then ascending. Okay, this false. Right. Okay, right. And now top 10 company is equal to sorted df dot head. Okay, so we want to see the top 10 companies. And now print sorted df dot head. See, we can find the top 10 companies. Okay, we can find the top 10 companies. So these are the company tickers. Good. Okay. And then second question is so we can also print top 10 company. Then you can say company name and just GP percent. Okay, and we can also see the companies. And let me see. Okay, these are the companies. Actually, it has sorted not by company but by observations. Okay, and then again we will be working on say. So this one is for you. Okay, let's do it. The 6, do it by yourself. So you can do it. Okay. So 6. Do it yourself. That's fine. Okay. Okay. And then let's go to the run the regression model. Okay. So we are almost there. So run the regression model. And to do that, what we have to do is we have to define, so it is saying size. Actually, size is equal to log of total assets. And to do that, let's define. So import numpy as np, then filtered df. We'll be filtering merged df, merged df, total assets. We are filtering. We want to see, we want to filter the companies based on the total assets. If the total assets is less than 0 or equal to 0, we don't want to see them. Okay, we don't want to analyze them. So what we are doing, we are filtering the merge table based on the total assets. So we will keep only those observations that have total assets greater than 0. Okay, that is 1. Okay, then we will define the variable size. Okay, which would be equal to, so we want to use the numpy, that log, and filtered df, total assets, right? Okay, and let's run. So what we have done, but don't care about this. So a value is trying to be set on a copy of a slice. That's fine, but I think it should be okay. Just let's double check whether our new variable has been created. Okay, so what is that? Filtered df. Okay, dot head. Let's see. See the can you see that the new variable size has been created? Okay, so and there is no, meaning all the total assets are more than 0, so we are fine. I don't care about this message. Okay. Okay, and now let's go to regression mode. So to do the regression, we have to call the stats models dot pi, no, so dot api at stat model sm, and then we will be importing stats models dot formula dot api as formula, and then define the regression model, and the model would be formula is equal to interest. Is it interest? So yeah, interest expense. Okay, so it should be interest expense is a function of, see, this is the function of, is a function of, see, oh yeah, gross profit Z is uppercase, so it should be gross profit plus size plus sales. Is it the model? Let me see. Yeah, gross profit, size, and sales, right? Okay. This should not be the close. Okay. So we have defined the model and let's run it. Okay. And now run the regression. So regression model. To run the model, so we'll be saying model SMF dot OLS. We want to run the ordinary least square model. So formula equal to, formula means this one, okay? This one, this formula. We want to use this one. Okay. Formula, then data is filtered DF. Which one we want to use this filtered DF? We have created this one. Can you see that? Okay. So filtered DF and then dot fit. Okay. And then print. Okay. Print the results as print model dot model summary. Okay, let's see what happened now. Now it's giving us SMF is not defined. Okay, SMF is not. Oh, okay. I think this should be SMF. Okay, so run it again. Okay, and then run this one again. Run it again. Okay, now here you go. So we have found the regression model, and we have to define C, and then after running this regression model, so we have found R squared, adjusted R squared, and okay, we have to explain the coefficient, P values, and R squared. Okay, so okay. So R square 0.686. It means that so our model can explain 68.6% changes of our variable of interest. Okay, and then the second one. So P values. It means that we have to look at the P values. Okay, we have found the P values intercept and see that the P value is 0.000. It means that so our variable is highly significant. It has a significant relation with our interest expense. Okay, and finally we have the R squared we have defined, and the coefficient, etc. And the coefficient of the gross profit is minus 0.0096. It means that the gross profit is negatively associated with the interest. If a company has more gross profit, they are paying less interest. And the company size is positively associated, and the sales is positively associated with interest expense. Okay. And thank you for this one. Have a good one.